What's up, guys? I just got up, and today we are going straight to Joburg for a photo shoot, and we will vlogging. A very cool morning.
So what's up, guys? I just finished taking a shower. I am a nigga. Now we're about to go to Johannesburg for a couple of photo shoots. I got my towel today. It's a pretty hot day, so as it is a hot day, so I got my towel so every time I sweat I can. And I got my favorite doll, so you can see something which is very, very, very simple, and we're going there for the photo shoot. I hope you guys will love this vlog. Thank you.
We just left the trip. Okay, so guys, we just left the trip. It's kind of windy, and yeah, we're going to get a taxi because we don't own a car. We own no car. Yeah, what's up, guys? So finally we're currently on the bus heading straight to Johannesburg. Yeah, we headed straight to Johannesburg, and you'll see we'll do a couple of videos of the street, then you'll see everything. We're about to get down, man. I really don't know what to say. Please don't forget to subscribe, show some love. Yeah, let's get it. What's up, guys? So finally, we are walking straight to Ghana Square. I believe that's where we'll be taking some pictures. Tell them, yeah, but pictures. Yeah, that's where we'll be taking pictures. Get ready, be prepared. Let's get it.
Then, all cool. So guys,
it's kind of dark, but we went to Ghana Square and we managed to take about 2 to 3 photos, but the only thing that we noticed, the sun was already on top of us. So now we decided to go straight Johannesburg Theatre. So we're going straight to Johannesburg Theatre. And another thing, the camera is kind of dark. Oh, the battery of the camera is getting low. So we need to charge it about 2 hours. So I really don't know where. But we really need to charge the camera battery. Okay, yeah. And I believe it's been about 2 hours walking. Yeah. We carried at the Johannesburg Theatre, and as you already know, what we'll be doing. So we may be buying some tickets for the zoo. We'd like to go to the zoo next month. We carried at Parktown. Parktown. Parktown Theatre.
Ndishukran.
Oh, we also like will take a couple of images of Brenda Fassie statue, not the original Brenda Fassie. Yeah. So guys, we made it to Johannesburg Theatre. So now we are currently going. See you town. I don't know where we are going right now. I'm just running out of ideas. But yeah, let's get it done.